friends, and welcome back to my channel. This is Saima. I am today telling you about the juniper berry essential oil benefits. Juniper berry essential oil purifies your blood. Helps in digestion. It strengthens your hair. It is good for pain relief. It treats stomach issues, heartburn, acid reflux relief, and it is very important in skin and hair care. It is an extract of a flower. We have to use this essential oil with the basic gel. You can put some drops of neroli sorry juniper berry oil on your hanky. With the help of a dropper, you can put 10 drops on your hanky and can use it. The bottle comes like this. You have to just open the lid, and with this dropper you have to put some drops on your hanky and you can smell it. And it is an extract of a flower. It has a floral smell. This essential oil has many therapeutic values. It maintains the balance between the skin and a hair's pH, and it is mixed with the basic gel, then only it is used. You can use this basic gel with the basic gel and smell it basic gel also, and simply put the drops on your hanky and smell it. It can be used at day and night. It rejuvenates your cell and makes them active and makes all your organs work properly. It can be used with the diffuser also. Second essential oil is juniper berry oil. Second essential oil which I want to tell you about is the neroli oil. Neroli oil is very important. It is also the extract of a flower. It helps in the depression, to cure depression, and it can be used with the diffuser. This is the neroli oil. This is the flower which the extract of this flower is the neroli oil, and it can be used with the diffuser also, and you can uh, also use it with the carrier gel. This is the bottle of the neroli oil, and you can put the 3 to 4 drops with the basic gel. Skin Affairs neroli oil is mixed with the basic gel, then only it is used in the affected area where you have any skin issue. It also helps in the oral infection. It helps in the skin rejuvenation. It also for muscles relief, pain relief. It is also beneficial, insomnia, and it also helps in skin elasticity. The fragrance is very uplifting. You can use this neroli oil with this basic gel. This gel has no smell of its own. You can use this Skin Affairs carrier gel with this neroli oil. Simply you can put some drops of this neroli oil and mix it with the carrier gel and apply it. This neroli oil is some expensive, but you can afford it if you really want the natural treatment. Basic gel is also very important thing with these essential oils. So if you like this information, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends.